Which of the following is best for plotting graphs in Python? The answer is option C, Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a popular plotting library. What is the purpose of Seaborn? The answer is option B, statistical data. Seaborn is for creating attractive statistical plots. What is the process of cleaning raw data called? The answer is option B, data wrangling. Data wrangling is preparing raw data for analysis. Which step helps in understanding patterns in data? The answer is option C, EDA. EDA, exploratory data analysis, explores data patterns. What type of chart is good for showing proportions? The answer is option B, pie chart. Pie charts visualize proportions. Which SQL command is used to retrieve data? The answer is option B, select command. Select is used to query data from tables. What does where do in SQL query? The answer is option C, filters data. Where command filters rows based on condition. What is a relational database? The answer is option C, a structured database using tables with relations. Relational databases use related tables.